Hey everybody, Dalton with Byrider Madison. I wanted to make a quick little video here, kind of just answering some questions that we commonly get at Byrider here when it comes to financing, especially if you're a new car buyer. One question we get here a lot is, my credit's not that great, or I'm just starting off building my credit. Can you help me? A lot of times we definitely want to see if we can. We don't base loans off of credit score here. It's based off of other qualifications. We do look at housing and income. Make sure we can keep this affordable for you, because obviously we want you to be successful and make great payments on time every month. Another question we get a lot is down payment. What do I need for down payment? Now, down payment is always a case-by-case situation. We always tell the customers the more that you can bring down, the better, but definitely see what we can do for you with what you have. We might be able to get you into a vehicle right away, and we want to find out if we can. So yeah, that's a pretty big one we get a lot. Another one is, do you take trade-ins? We do take trade-ins. Trade-ins are huge with us. Definitely help you get into a nicer, newer vehicle if you're showing that you want to give up that vehicle to get you into a nicer, newer one. Even if the vehicle is broke down, if we can get you into a vehicle, we'd actually send a tow truck to go get that vehicle, and we'll take care of that tow bill for you. Those are just some quick questions that we get kind of often here at Byrider. If you're looking for a vehicle, definitely give us a call. We want to see what we can do for you. Number is 608-663-1213. Just ask for Dalton. I'd be more than glad to try and help you.